Hi there, sorry I didn't do a video for you guys last week. Well, I repurposed some content of a Turner painting last week for you guys because the whole house had COVID, so I was pretty sick. Couldn't do a video, so I'm doing one tonight for you guys. And I think I'm just going to do what I feel like doing, which is just exploring on the page a landscape of some sort to do with light, and I really don't know what I'm going to do exactly, but I like the idea of some bold colours tonight. So let's get onto the page and start painting. I might just start with a little bit of raw sienna. We'll just start with a little bit of raw sienna. We'll start with a little bit more raw sienna. We'll just a little bit more in an area. Get a bit of burnt sienna. We're going to start with some weak washes first and just build a bit of strength of tone. Let's come in with a bit of this. Mix of Cobalt Blue Light Red. We'll just, actually before I do that, let's just grab a bit of this Winsor Red. Super strong. Whew. Bring a bit of that in. Right, I'm just going to spray a bit of red on there, some Winsor Red. Right, let's dry this. Oof, well, I think I'm done. That was a lot of fun. It's so nice to get the colours out again, get some real... I've been doing some more beginner style watercolour lessons recently, which are really great. But I just love just getting some colour on the page and just playing and just seeing what happens. I really, really like this. I think that's a really lovely painting. I don't even know where I'm going to sign that because I don't really want to. I don't really want to put a signature anywhere. I suppose I'll put a tiny one down here. Yeah. Beautiful. Just visible. So I know I didn't talk very much during that video, but sometimes when I'm painting in that style, I really find it almost impossible to talk while painting like that. So I'm sorry about that, but that's just the way it goes when I paint like this. So if you have a look at this, it's really gorgeous. Like, because of the amount of water that I sprayed onto the page, you get a beautiful amount of granulation going on. You get some beautiful watermarks here where I brought in that Cobalt turquoise light and it went up this way. Get some beautiful watermarks there, a bit of dry brushing here. I really love this. The raw sienna that gives that bit of warm light here is really gorgeous. I just think the colour combinations are really great. I'd love it if this was a tiny bit warmer, probably, but I think when I stand back, it's good because it gives it another, that's not just the subject, the eye will come down here. And I don't think I'm going to lift out any, I'm going to keep this very, very abstract and vague. Thanks guys, if you like this video, please press a like. It really helps me to keep producing these videos for you. Press the subscribe button, press the bell button to get all the notifications of when I do my videos weekly. And if you want some more help with your watercolours, then join me on Patreon. Thanks guys, I better go. I'm not taking this outside in this rain, it'll disappear. And I have a tiny little leak in my studio roof actually, which reminds me I better put that away and keep it safe. So thanks guys, and I'll see you next week. Good night.